5 serious mistakes that you can easily avoid in IELTS writing. And if you avoid them, this will surely bring a dramatic shift in your bands. Mistake number 1 is not paraphrasing the question. If you will copy the question as it is, examiner will not consider it as part of your answer. Because paraphrasing lets your examiner understand that you have understood the question. Paraphrasing demonstrates your understanding. You can use synonyms or words with similar meanings, or you can change the sentence structure to showcase your paraphrasing. Let's imagine our question is the best way to reduce traffic jams is by cutting the need of people to travel from their homes for work, education, or shopping. We'll paraphrase it. We can say the most effective method to cut the volume of traffic is by reducing the need of people to travel from their homes for work, education, or shopping. So here in this statement, what we have done, we have used some synonyms to showcase our understanding of the question to examiner. And this is what you have to do, because if you will not paraphrase, this is going to cost you. Mistake number 2, not answering all parts of the question. Because in many questions you must have seen, sometimes they've given us a problem and asking us for the causes, effects, and solution. Or sometimes they've given us a topic asking us for advantages and disadvantages. Many students, what they do, they would answer advantages in 2 separate paragraphs, explain them clearly, but would not write a single thing about disadvantages. Now, what is this? This is a very big mistake. This means that you have not answered or addressed all parts of the question. Your task response is incomplete. An examiner will have to deduct your bands for this mistake. So next time when you get your question paper, make sure that you carefully read the question. Underline the keywords. Check how many questions are there. How many paragraphs will I have to make? Make sure that you've planned everything in your mind and then only you start writing. Mistake number 3, not starting every paragraph with the topic statement. Because you all know that in IELTS writings, we can't give headings. Then how will my reader, that is my examiner, get to know that this paragraph is about what? Here comes the role of topic statement. Make sure that you begin every paragraph with the topic statement so that the reader gets clear that this paragraph is going to be about this topic. Let's imagine our next paragraph is about advantages. We can start this paragraph by writing one evident advantage of this is. One evident advantage of this is will let my reader understand that now I'll be reading advantages. So this will set the tone of your paragraph. This will help your examiner understand what is the purpose of this paragraph. Mistake number 4, listing too many ideas but not developing them. What is this? This means that you were given a topic and you had so many ideas about the topic that you thought I should write all of them. Let's imagine essay was about the benefits of exercise and you had 10 to 12 ideas in your mind about the topic. You mentioned all those ideas in 2 paragraphs. So when the examiner reads the answer, examiner is getting a list of ideas one after another, but not a single idea has been explained. What is the meaning of this? Examiner is not looking for a list of ideas. Examiner is looking for 2 or 3 ideas, but they should be fully developed, which means choose 2 or 3 ideas for your whole answer, but focus on their explanation with the help of supporting ideas, which can be examples as well. So next time, make sure when you write your answer, it should not be a list of ideas. It should have 2 or 3 ideas, but they should be fully developed. And the last is writing too long or too short paragraphs. Because if your paragraph is too long, what happens? It confuses the mind of the reader. Writers, I mean students, they have a lot of content at times about a topic. And they try to write everything about that topic in just one paragraph. While reading you one paragraph, the reader gets lost because the content is too lengthy. And this generally lacks the purpose and direction also. So this is not good. And same is also true if you write two short paragraphs. Changing your paragraphs frequently will also confuse the mind of the reader. Because one paragraph means one main idea, central idea. That has been explained with the help of supporting ideas, which could be examples or explaining the paragraph. Now, if the paragraph is too short, there would be no explanation or examples. This also confuses your reader. So, next time when you make your paragraphs, make sure that you've chosen one or two key points per paragraph and they are fully explained, developed with the help of ideas or examples. This only will help you get very good score in IELTS writing. So next time, make sure that you will paraphrase your question. You will address every part of the question. Your paragraph should have a purpose and they should not be too long or too short. So next time when you take your test, make sure that you follow these points. This will surely help you get higher bands in IELTS writing.